Olha os comboios, cara.
Não, surgir aqui, nunca ouviu falar de comboio fantasma.
Tá lá pro caralho, bro.
Vai!
E aí, é assim, né? Olha.
Aí, 1, 2, 3.
Mas a puta, vai pra trás.
Tô pai.
Vai pra frente.
Não, agora eu vou começar a ter ideia.
What up, niggas? Shout out to my lady heavy night, the homie of heavy night, and Deggy, aka boy Knight. So
Lame, JR, getting crazy, I'm getting crazy, yeah, right. Let's go crazy, boy. Getting crazy on the spot, I'm getting crazy. It gets crazy, stupid, wild, fire. So you better go lab before I find ya. Point them out, big, the JR will rip them. This crazy boy mentality will make me wanna split them, slice them, grab them, drag them, kingdomly attack them. Radically I'll smack them, I'm lifting them mighty, or else I'm gonna slay them. Praise him, who? Jesus. Who else you praising, Brody? The wrong God, huh? Now I'm crazy, Brody. It's getting crazy, Brody. Now what you wanna say to me now? Blow, it's all in the first round. Finish him, done. Yeah. And now I'm going crazy. Crazy. I think I'm going crazy. Crazy. You think I'm going crazy. Crazy. I think I'm going crazy. My mind is gone, I guess I lost all sanity. You crazy too if you think that you can all damage me. Isaiah 54:17 says you're all stupid head. The million.
4 fingers up, 2 fingers curved in the middle.
I'm in why. 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 Fitted on crooked, about to put it straight. If you ain't got it in mind, you better get away. It's gonna get a little serious. Give me the whole cake. A crazy group of fitteds. I don't know if you can take it. Here comes that hammer. I'm already gone. Snatch your whole logo. Mine's still on. Mine's still on. Yeah, my brothers keep that. And why I keep you wildin'? Y'all don't wanna see that. Or maybe you do. Here we come. My soul, sonic boom. We hyped on you. What it do? And why? On my cap. I'll snap. Watch me do it. Here, I prove it. Hear this music. M on my hand. In on my hand. Your L's coming next. I give you that alphabet. I'm in Y.
Tá a gravar.
You wish I stopped reaching. I get it. You want this influence to change. I get it. You ain't got no respect for the name. I get it. I guess you preach with no power. I get it. I get it. You want me to do the same. I get it. I of that compromise, like hit it, I get it. So much respect for the work, I get it, I get it. Study to show myself approved, I get it, 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 I get it. I'ma see you at the session, I get it, I get it. Ever since you got dry, I get it, I get it. You want your sons to be the best, I get it, I get it. Now you all growling, I get it, I get it. I choose God over all, I get it, I get it. Every single one of you gon' fall, I get it. The Pharisees, I get it, I get it, I get it. 5% get it, I get it, I get it. Yeah, the caveman rocker, madness, gully boys, and we don't stop. I'ma keep it straight gully, you know what I'm saying? Like with Jesus help, I'ma keep this street going. Yo, my mission is to keep it straight gully. Even though niggas be hating, I keep it straight gully. My job is to keep this street gully. Even though dudes be hating, I leave it be gully. Nigga, what? We taking over the whole block. Keep it real gully. The liveness don't stop. Caveman rock. Tim's to your face cavity. Battle me if these words make you mad at me. My mission is to keep it straight gully. Even though niggas be hating, I keep it straight gully. My job is to keep this street gully. Even though you dudes be hating, I leave it be gully. Nigga, what? We taking over the whole block. Keep it real gully. The liveness don't stop. Caveman rock. These Tim's to your face cavity. Battle me if these words make you mad at me. I should set this on fire. Baseball caps and baseball bats, cause I knock you haters' heads. I should flood this with water. Come and get your snatch, give me Jesus back. Hands off my rear, Brody. I got a sticky hand, so if I smack a devil where his face print as a reminder, his cheekbones